Hey everyone, welcome back to this evening's shave. Tonight, it's been a little warm. Granted, it is summer now. So I've been wanting to use the soap for a little bit. Just don't know why I haven't yet. But that is Continental from Heritage Hill. Heritage Hill, if you've watched my channel for a little bit, know that Heritage Hill is one of my absolute favorite artisans. Their soaps just work so well. They're easy to work up with a nice, beautiful lather. You can see that sheen in there in the bowl. And I did use the Omega Roma Coliseum. Huge knot on this thing, but it doesn't feel like it's, I think it's a 31 millimeter. But it does not feel that big. The scent on Continental is tangerine and menthol. And, oh man, is it good. I got this one from Marion, the Barbarian. He just sent this along, I wasn't expecting it. And that kind of started my love of Heritage Hill. This was one of those soaps that when you tried it the first time, I knew it was really good, and I was just instantly sold. Now, regretfully, I haven't seen them on social media a whole lot recently. I know they're working on splashes. They had a couple summer scents they were going to be releasing. They have a tester scent, or that I have. That was a tester scent that is just awesome. They told me that one was getting ready to be released. They were just working on the artwork. And this was a couple months ago. So I'm hoping they're just busy waiting to ramp up on that release. Then they have a couple other ones that they're working on for summer. So I hope, fingers crossed, that they're still around. And I hate to see them go the way of like Arsenal Grooming. Arsenal Grooming had a phenomenal soap. And they didn't get a lot of buzz when they were first released. I had one of their soaps. I was gonna go back and get some more. And every time I went back to check, the soaps I wanted were out of stock. And then someone said they just stopped replying to DMs on Instagram, no email responses. It's like they just went dark. I've sent emails. I've sent them private messages on social media. And absolutely nothing. So, I don't know what Arsenal Grooming's deal is. I'm just hoping that Heritage Hill does not go that route, because these guys make a phenomenal product. You can see here the slickness is butter. Whipped up exceptionally easily. Now this is one I probably could have had soaking in the bowl a little bit to add just a little bit more water, so I didn't have to add as much while I was working the lather, though I didn't need to add a ton. I could probably still work this a little more on my face. But you can see this lather is really, really, really good. This is definitely the brightest scent that they have. think the other 3 or 4 scents of theirs all have a bit of patchouli and bergamot in it. So it's a little bit darker. I have one of their soaps that has lime, but it's also patchouli and a couple other ingredients. And it's a dark lime, but man, is it good. Last time I looked, this scent was still available at their website. There'll be a link below. Sabre proving once again why it is my goat. This thing is just, oh, smooth. Efficient. Almost like autopilot. It's an autopilot shave. And it's just, oh man. Heritage Hill and the Sabre, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. The only thing I wish they had, and last time I spoke to the guys at Heritage Hill, was splashes. Or even a balm would be okay. They told me then that they were working on balms. Didn't have a time frame on their release. So hopefully that still comes to fruition. I don't know why I just did my mustache. Don't need to do that again. I only ever do 2 passes on the mustache area. I don't need to go against the grain. So as long as you just do one that's kind of width and across, and one that's kind of across. So good. And just look at that, it's just hanging on. Seriously, Heritage Hill is in my top 5 for a reason. And I know I said it before, that's me using one of their products on my channel. They do donate a portion of the proceeds to the Hidden Battles Foundation. There'll be a link to the Hidden Battles Foundation below. As well as their Heritage Hill's website. Another good thing about Heritage Hill is if you're unsure if you're going to like a scent, you can get it in 6 ounces, like I have here, or in a 3-ounce tub for the same price per ounce. So that's not bad. And there are other artisans you can get smaller sizes. Samples and whatnot, but price usually higher per ounce for smaller tubs and samples. So GM PTFE blade, not sure what use. Making good work of that stubble. Had a little over 24 hours of growth. Right, there's always an issue. You can just see that sheen. Seriously, this is a phenomenal soap. One that I'll be disappointed in if they have closed up shop. Because that would just suck. I have an ingrown hair, something right here that's been a pain in my butt for a couple days. And chasing the dragon, like I usually do. Couple troll spots right here. I'll call it good. Try to keep this a little bit shorter. I really wish I had a splash that matched this one. Although I normally don't dig or don't want to gourmand. Splash. That being said, I do have Immortal Peach Soap and Splash from PAA. It's one of my favorite teas in the fall. One of those peaches. This one, if I had a matching splash, I'd totally rock the matching splash. I like the scent that much. Anyway, that is gonna do the shave. I'm gonna finish up off camera just because I'm going to go with a matching menthol or cooling effect and use the Star Jelly that is dang near out. And I just don't think you want to hear me bang it on my counter. So anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't checked out Heritage Hill, highly, highly recommend you check them out. Or if you have tried Heritage Hill, what soap have you used, what scent, and what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all next time.